In my previous video last week, I showed you guys how you can import all the phone numbers in your phone book to an Excel format, and also how you can add your country code to all the phone numbers in your phone book. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can convert all those Excel phone numbers, all those exported Excel phone numbers that you've already added your country code into a contact files, and also how you can convert the contact files to VCF files to enable you import it back to your phone. So let's get started. Let me show you exactly how to do that in just a few minutes. Now, for us to be able to convert all those Excel files, let's open the Excel file. Now, here are the Excel files that we want to convert to contact files. This first column are the names, King 1, King 2, King 3. This first column, the names. This second one is the number that we imported from our phone. And this third one is the one we added all our country code. If you can see, all these things has +234 in it. And all these ones, 080, 081, and all that. Let's close this. So here is the file, all extracted contacts. Let's open it again. Once you open it, the first step you need to do is go to File, Save As. Open here, Save As, CSV, delimited. Let's name it All CC. Let's save it on the desktop. Save. Okay. Yes. Now let's close this. No. Now you see, this is the first contact, and this is the one we have already saved as delimited, delimited. Now, another thing you have to do is click on search, type contact. Once you type contact, contact will appear on the list here. Click on contact, go to import, click on CSV, separated value. Click on import, browse, and go to desktop where you save this file. You will see All CC. Once you click on All CC, open, then next. The first field here is King 1, which is the name section. The second one is the 090, which is the original phone numbers we imported to this Excel file. Now the third one is the +234. Now what you have to do is click on this one, select a contact field for the text field. You name it first name. Say OK. Now let's leave this second one. Click on this one, the last one, because these are the ones you want to import in your phone. Check it. Once you click the check button here, this will appear. Click on it. Go down to phone numbers. Go to mobile phone numbers or home phone numbers. Let me use mobile phone numbers. Click on mobile phone numbers. Say OK. Now say finish. Once you click on finish, this will automatically convert all these Excel files to contact files. Now click close. You see all this file has been created. King 1, King 2, King 3, King 4, and all that. These are all contact files. Now, you see, if you right click on any of these files and click on properties, type of file is contact file, contact. We have already converted all those numbers inside the Excel file to contact file. The next thing we're going to do now is to convert all these files to VCF files. Now let me show you exactly how to do that. Now, since we have already converted all those numbers to contact file, the next thing you need to do now to convert all these contact files to VCF file is to create new folder inside this contact. Click on new folder. Then let's say VCF files. Enter. Or let's say contacts. Let's click on contacts. Now, what we'll have to do now is export. Click on export. Go to Vcard export. Locate this file by clicking on contacts. Click on the contacts and say OK. Your contact has been exported in the new format you chose. Say OK. Close. When you open this file now, all these contacts inside this place has been exported to this folder in VCF format. You see? Right click, properties, Vcard file. This is VCF files now. Now, these files, all these files in this place now are now VCF files. It can be imported into your phone. But these ones were just contact files. But these ones are now VCF file. Now, the very next thing we need to do, since we have converted all these files to VCF files, is to combine all these files as one. Let's select all these files. All these files, Control A. All these files, if you walk down here, there are 92 items. We are going to combine all these files as one file so that we can be able to import that one file. Once we import that one file into our phone, it will bring in all these 92 items as contacts inside our phone. For us to do this, the very first thing we need to do is to copy these contacts, copy, go to my PC. I have 2 drives here. We are working on C, but you have to create this in another drive. Let me create it in my recovery drive. Create it in a separate drive, not in your C drive. Let me open my D drive. Paste these contacts here. The contacts I copied, here are the contacts. The VCF contacts that I've already converted. I've copied the folder here. Now the next thing we have to do is come here, click CMD, command, enter. We're going to use a command to convert all these files. Remember, we copied these files in D drive. So we're going to use a command to combine all these files inside this D drive as one. Okay? Let's go on. Now for us to put all these files as one, what we need to do is open CMD command. These files are saved in D drive. I saved all these files in D drive as contacts. So in command, you have to type D, watch that sign, and enter. Now type CD contacts, enter. Now you have to type the code to combine all these files as one. The code to combine all these files is copy space star dot VCF space all dot VCF. Now click enter. Once you click enter, it will combine all those files as one. Enter. One file copied. All the files has been combined as one file. Let's look here. Contacts. These are all these files. All these files now. All these 92 files now has now been added as one. So this is the file. Once you copy this file now, send it to your mail, put it in your phone, and go to your phone book and click on Import Files. Your phone will recognize this file and import all these contacts. Even if it's 1 million contacts, your phone will import all of them inside your phone book. This is exactly how to bring in new phone numbers into your phone book. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the subscription button if you enjoyed this video, and also click the bell button. I will be coming up with more exciting and very educative videos. I'll see you guys next weekend. Stay creative.